Welcome to Friday. Had slight issues with my camera, so we've had to borrow somebody else's just for today. So, yeah, I dropped my spare iPhone that I use for videoing for the last 2-3 years. It's been dropped a few times, but this time half the touchscreens now stopped working. So, hopefully, I would have got yesterday's video up, because that's on there and I can't get it off at the moment. But anyway, so this video might be a bit short, maybe not too much time lapse, just a bit of talking and bits and bobs like that, because I need to sort something out. No. Okay, we clamped it on. Just done a bit of trimming at the moment just to get it a fit flush. I've gone back and I've scored a line now under this old panel. The current quarter panel, and yeah, looking alright. Just got to watch, there is a bit of a curve I think in the old door as well. Well, that should have gone a bit, but we can tweak stuff. It's not too much of a problem anyway. It's alright anyway, it finishes out there anyway. This has got to be all cut out. This is the wheel arch area. So yeah, we'll whip that off. We'll trim it up and then we'll joggle it hopefully, and we'll look like, see how we're doing. So it's quite a big panel that we've put in there, repair panel. But it is what it is. It hasn't cost us anything apart from a few cutting discs and a bit of time. Yay! My improvised workbench again. So we've trimmed it down, clamped it down. So again, I just did this last time. I just, in my head, that using the old tool, swaging tool, the joggler, that's the word. If you're doing it by hand, I feel, with the panels bending in your arm, you might just force a little bit of a curve into it, And because you're putting a crease down it, which makes it strong, it makes the curve strong. And so if you've got the curve in there, you could argue, should there be a curve in the thing anyway? But I'm looking at it and it's looking pretty straight anyway, so I think I'm better off having a straight line and trying to bend it slightly than trying to undo a curve. But anyway, make sure, double check it up the right way when you do these. I'll just test it on a test piece just to make sure that I know what I'm doing. And yeah, crack on. Where's the air? Tiny little compressor, but it doesn't need much at all for one of these tools, It's not constant. One last check on a scrap bit. Oh, got a dent down there. Dent in that. I wonder if we put that in. Ah, damn it. My temporary bench has got a bit of weld on it and it's caused it to put a bend in it. Dent. Ah, that's annoying. Now I'm going to swear off camera. Well, that's annoying, isn't it? But that's what you get for not using the right tools and not checking it. I wonder why it wasn't clamping down earlier, and I clamped it even harder and it looked alright. That's why. God, you need to think about these things, Matthew. Hey, there, laddie. So yeah, a bit of luck came back on my side. I got obviously a dent on my DIY bench at the back there. Got a dent in the panel. Well, actually, it was the bit down here on the wheel arch that we had to cut off. So the dent now gone. So that's a bit of luck on my side, isn't it? Obviously we've still got to finish this edge off now with a wheel arch, which we'll do obviously once we get the new wheel arch in at the same time. Got to fold the front edge over yet as well, same as on the other side. But yeah, not looking too bad. It's going to be really hard to tell until you sort of get it welded up and we actually get a straight edge on it and sort of, get a bit of filler, because it's going to need some filler along there. No doubt about it. But yeah, do like these clips, they're going good. Need to get some more of them now, so you soon run out, don't you? So yeah, we're definitely getting somewhere. Roast dinner. I think we're gonna, what's the roast? Yeah, we'll do a roast at the weekend. So this is Friday. Daughter's home from uni, so we may get a cheeky Chinese. Who shall knows? Who shall knows? So yeah, still playing about with all the panels. Haven't welded anything in yet. It's all just a case of let's see if we can get everything to align. And buy some more G clamps. We've got about 30 at the moment. No, maybe about 20. Could do with a few more, as always. Maybe not the screw fix ones this time, although I've just still carried on using it without a spring. In principle, it still works. What else have we done? Hang on. Yeah, as we get into the end of a video. These Magnum repair panels that go on the corner sections. You see that down there? Yeah. Didn't have a flange on it, so I've just started. I was bored sitting there having a bit of lunch. Just welded a flange onto the bottom of that, ready for a bit later on when we cut that corner off and that gets repaired into there. Same principle. You can see it's joggled there. Just comes from that from the Magnum panels. So it'll do. It won't be perfect, but it'll be solid. It won't be rusty. Got to do the other corner yet. Passenger wing came in, so we got that. I can't remember what other panels we were thinking of maybe needing now. But yeah, I've my piggy bank's a bit dry at the moment, so we'll crack on with all the stuff we've got. We've got plenty of stuff to do. Old wheel arches need cutting out, new wheel arches putting back in. Whether we do that yet before we order veer in, I don't know. It should make no difference once we've got the alignment done. But yeah, I think we're still another month off before we start welding any of this stuff together. Being realistic, we've got a lot to do on the Mark 1. And we've got a lot to do on this still. We've got the rear firewall to come out. That's got a brand new one to go back in that came with the car. So yeah, all slowly.